Hey guys, this is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're going to be out here in Sanger, Texas. The building right behind me we're going to be looking at today is going to be a 30 feet wide, 50 foot long, and 9 foot tall up to the eaves. Let's check out this building real quick. The colors on it that the customer did get are going to be the black and the white. So it's got black on the roof and the trim. And then they also did happen to get this horizontal wainscot here at the bottom, black as well. And then the rest of the siding of this building is going to be the white. Here on the front of this building, they did happen to get a 35 by 36 inch single pane window. And they happen to get 4 more on the left-hand side here looking from the front of this building. This building has a 10 by 8 roll-up door here on the front. Now you'll notice that this door is small enough still to have the latch right here on the outside. So it's not gonna have the chain hoist on the inside, and it's not necessary for you as a customer to get a walk-in door to get inside the building. You can still open it here from the outside. Looking at the walk-in door that the customer did get for this building is gonna be our upgraded cottage style walk-in door. It is still a 36 by 80 inch for the size, and it still does have the base rail here at the bottom. So unfortunately, you are gonna have, that piece of base rail down there to walk across. It's not a big hassle, but if you are looking to have a walk-in door without that base rail, so you just walk in and out, you're gonna be looking at the 36 by 84 inch option or the 48 by 84 heavy duty walk-in door. So let's go look at the side of this building. Now, reminder, this is a 50 foot long structure. So you can just see how long this building is. Now, unfortunately, the customer is not here right now and the building is locked, but we do see when we peeked inside that they did have a lot of storage stuff in there, and it looks like they might have a lot more room for more things. And then down here, also at the other end of this building, they did happen to get our regular walk-in door, which is going to be the 36 by 80 size as well, and it does also sit on the base rail. The customer also happened to get the colored screws for this building, matching the paint of the options that the customer did get. So it looks really nice, keeps everything cohesive, matching their house perfectly. That does have like the black shingles on the roof and then the white siding here. We always say that the upgraded colored screws are a good option. Now, American Steel Carports buildings are gonna come with the galvanized screws, which isn't bad, but they are galvanized, so they will stick out. So if you do want your building to look really nice and perfect, we do recommend going for the upgraded colored screwed option. Alrighty guys, so here on this side, you will see that the customer did happen to get the 4 other 35 by 36 inch single pane windows, evenly spread it out throughout the length of his structure. And then I forgot to mention in the beginning, but the customer did happen to get the A-frame vertical style roof on this building, and then made the horizontal siding and the horizontal ends. Now, our buildings come standard roof, but you can upgrade to the A-frame style, which will match a lot of people's residential homes. And we do have 2 options in the A-frame style. We either have the A-frame horizontal, which will have the panels running from the front to the back. And then we have the upgraded version, which is the A-frame vertical style, which will have the panels running from the peak to the eave. That'll help a lot with the snowfall and rainfall, getting from off your building. The A-frame horizontal style is gonna be your middle tier. It still looks kind of like a residential home, but the panels do have the ridges. So if you're not a big concern for snow or anything like that, that is a good option. And then our cheapest option will be the standard that comes normal on our buildings. Same thing with the panels here on the side as well. The customer went ahead and got the horizontal siding that comes normal on our structure. But if you wanted to, you could upgrade it to the vertical style. But this customer just went ahead and did the vertical style and kept it like how it comes. And I know you can't tell here from the outside, but the customer did happen to get the notch detail here on the concrete of his middle building. That just helps that whenever it rains or snows or anything like that, it doesn't go inside your building. It's gonna have a 1.5 inch notch that the base rail of the metal structure actually sits on. So it helps prevent that. Alrighty guys, that was a nice look at this 30 by 50 by 9 foot tall enclosed garage. It had the nice color combination of the black and the white that's been very popular here in Texas. We do offer a variety of colors, and we'll put those up on the screen so that you can see every single option that we do currently offer. So, to your heart's content, you can match it to your house, you can match it to a theme that you have going on. We have a lot of options to choose from. Don't forget to leave us a like and a comment down below. Any questions that you may have, And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can watch any of our future videos. Anyways, this has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.